I have ants in my pants. Anyway, kitties on your tail for myself. Everything in my head, and the shadow stomping on my finger, a silent tour all the way. Saving myself, but my shadow slicing me out and putting me on the hand of right, eat me out, and my ABC.
If you have a compact disc player, those CDs are all free tonight. They're just for this weekend. It has an extra song on it. And that's just for this weekend. So if you have a way to play compact discs, take one, please.
Take one.
Yes.
Have it.
We could do the song that is the exclusive for just this weekend only. Yeah, and the next song that we'll play is the one that is only available this weekend.
Woo! Bebop.
Starry Eyes.
Werewolf?
Yeah. This one's about that nude scene in Teen Wolf that nobody knows about, but you might know about, you know. Yeah. Treated the entire time, but sonically this is my favorite moment. Y'all too, you know, yeah, we gotta do this more often. Yes. Fun. And thank you,
Yeah.
Thank you, Sound Pony, always for hot now, first and foremost. Bicycle. For liquor.
Bicycle.
And for beautiful tunes. Cool kids.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Alex on guitar.
Cool kitty of the hippest around. With the hustle and bustle in the middle of town. You want the hop and the skunk. You want the conquer the world. You want the beat bobbing beats inside our hearts. You want the swing in our hips. You want the ice cream that everyone dips. Nobody likes it when you leave the scene. The planes on their heels of people born empty and clean. You bent that. Yeah.
Shit, that's a song.
Fuck. Are we a band?
You're right.
Yeah. I was like, what is
What
that?
the fuck is drip?
Stop talking to
Not
me.
sweaty, yeah.
Shh.
Sweaty!
Who are you? I'm trying to get this out of your I got to get clear soon. I Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
That one song that's in the series of the Rouge was kind of slower, that's sort of similar to C-sharp.
Smells like fresh meat.
Yeah.
C-sharp, yeah!
C-sharp!
C-sharp song?
C-sharp!
We know
That's
that.
C-sharp, yeah!
Right, that was pretty simple.
Yeah. It smells like fresh meat.
Yeah.
Sweaty!
Smells like fresh meat.
Smells like fresh meat.
Yeah.
All right, for Jay.
Yeah!
This one was for Oklahoma, now it's for Jay. Because we love it.
Yeah, otherwise. We're Pluto Rouge. Buy some merch. Thank you so much, Rolling Eyes and Ghost to Ghost. Yeah, fuck yeah. Thank you, Sound Phony, as usual. As per usual, tip your bartender and buy some merch. Help them get food in Dallas or whatever they're going. Texas. Fucking Texas. My bad. Someone's listening. Sorry. Anyway, love you guys. Bye. Itinerary.
Right? Yeah, one more.
I'll do it. Yeah, let's do it.
One more song.
Yeah, one more?
Do it!
Yeah.
Do it! One more!
Here we go. One more song. One more song. One more song.
Whoa! It's our first encore.
Leave them wanting more, just deliberately.
Deliberately leave a new star, but
I was already in drop D, so we're ready.
nice. All right.
There's drop D!
Drop D.
Yeah, we'll do beautiful.
Rebels, we love you.
We love you.
Peace out.